Today I'm going to show you how to make breaded chicken on the grill. First we got to go over to the grill and preset it to make sure it's hot enough. So we're going to put it at about 400 degrees, and then we're going to lower the, right now they're on high, so we're going to put them to about medium. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to be using flour, black pepper, salt, and some rotisserie chicken seasoning, about a quarter cup of milk, and 2 eggs. And we're actually be wrapping them in aluminum foil. So this is how we're going to start it off. I'm going to crack some eggs open. Get this egg mixed up real good. Add the quarter cup of milk. So now we're going to add about a cup of flour to do it. Chingada la verga! A good tablespoon of pepper. Que la chingada. Okay, take 48. So we added a tablespoon of black pepper, and we're probably gonna just add not a tablespoon, but maybe just a teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna add some rotisserie chicken. I like to add at least about a tablespoon. And we're just going to mix it all up. I like to see my thing orange, so I'm going to add another tablespoon to it. Mix it in there real good. Then all you do is get your chicken, put it into the egg and milk mix. You add it into the flour or your breaded mix here. Make sure it gets nice and covered. Nice and covered. Now the trick to this grill thing is I like to wrap mine up in aluminum foil. What I do is I put some of this non-stick butter spray onto the foil. Put it right here. Put the chicken into the foil. Wrap it up, but don't tighten this too much. You gotta let it breathe a little bit. Now we get another one. So we got another chicken in the egg. Put it into your breaded mix here. Make sure you cover it all up pretty good. Get your foil ready. Spray it nice and good on the foil. There's chicken number 2. Make sure we get it all covered up with this egg and milk mix. Put that last one in. wrap it up again. You got your last chicken. Make sure it's nice and covered with this egg and milk mix. And then we put it into the seasoned flour mixture that we just concocted. Is that the right word? And then we use this last foil here, and then we wrap up the last chicken. Come over to the grill. Just make sure your temperature's still at 400. I usually like setting mine towards the back. It's a little bit hotter. And you set this down on medium for about 45 minutes, and we'll come back to that. So it's been about 45 minutes. We're gonna kind of take a look at what this chicken looks like. Actually looks pretty good. Looks really good. And there you have it, folks. Breaded grilled chicken. Hardly taste that there.